Ceremonial distribution of Arunodai cards held at Dongkamkam. Korkanthi constituency Kisan Morcha holds first executive meeting. Hello and welcome to Karbi Anglong Live. I'm Jilly Hansepi with the latest news for today. And now the news in details. 2,100 families under Bithung Rangthama constituency were on Monday distributed Arunodai scheme card. The event was held at Waisong Stadium in Dongkamkam. Here is a report from our correspondent. Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council CM Tuliram Ronghang on Monday ceremoniously distributed Arunodai card as a part of state-sponsored scheme to more than 2,000 beneficiaries under Bithung Rangthama MEC constituency, through which a BPL family would be benefited Rs 830 every month. Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council CM Tuliram Ronghang in his speech compared the development activities done in BJP and ASDC Congress regime. He said that the Congress and ASDC ruled the council for almost 30 years, but development was seen to be feeble. But under BJP's tenure, the development scenario has changed and had gained speed. By giving example, he mentioned Kasa Stadium, Dongkamkam Waisong Stadium and 26 mini stadium in 26 MEC constituencies and others. Besides, he also highlighted other works including road construction, potable water to electrification to free admission, free textbooks, free uniforms and free rice distribution. He said that people have been able to receive so much help from the government that the previous governments have failed in their tenure.
Sports culture আনিব কাৰণে আমি হেবিলাকৰ টকা খৰচ কৰিছো আজি প্ৰত্যেক সমষ্টি এমএসি সমষ্টি 10 কোটি টকা আসনি স্পোর্টস কমপ্লেক্সৰ নামত স্পেশাল প্যাকেজৰ জৰিয়তে অডিটৰিয়াম হল ইনডোৰ ষ্টেডিয়াম গ্যালাৰী আৰু ওপেন স্পেচ প্ৰায় সম্পূৰ্ণ হৈছে.
MP Horan Singh Bey, while addressing the meeting, urged the local leaders and government officials to ensure that all BPL families receive the Arunodai cards. He informed that 20 lakh cards will be given in the entire Assam state. The distribution meet was presided over by Ditolal Hasnu.
BJP Sarkar pen, Ohoma Sarkar pen, Modi Sarkar pen, Kidu kelak la pen soarlo tumhan, panong si penang an. Asuni askin teng ponlo lapen la Arunodai po asuni bangal ka Assam Sarkar pen pilitum kacing hon manpeng edo Sarbanando Sonowal Assam Chief Minister alang li pensi teng ponlo.
Earlier, Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council CM Tuliram Ronghang laid a foundation stone for construction of the Dongkamkam bus counter in presence of MP Horan Singh Bey, EMs and MECs of Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council. Vicky Bey report from Satgaon for Karbi Anglong Live. The Kisan Morcha of the BJP Korkanthi constituency had on Monday held their first executive meeting with an aim to spread the awareness on the importance of farming and agriculture. The meeting began at around 11 a.m. and was held at Tekelangjun LP School. The meeting was chaired by Korkanthi Kisan Morcha President Mohen Teron and was attended by Korkanthi BJP Mandal President Dolo Inti, Secretary Chandro Inti, District Kisan Morcha Secretary Jiten Kathar, Convener Rajab Rangpi, Korkanthi Mahila Morcha President Mira Terangpi, and several others. Discussions were held on the means and strategies to boost the farming sector in the area. Party leaders also urged the people present to extend their support to the BJP in the upcoming MLA elections. Potato seeds, mustard seeds and gram pulses were distributed to the farmers who attended the program.
Hello, ini nitum pinang ani benlo kachisik pon, mane 29 ani tame nitum mai fasi gitu mai do ponji pulo, tame nitum long bangso mane angkang long, mate Karbi long pen Assam India angkang long masi abutin bud ke बाद lapan mon ke बाद program dukok pera jok nitum postpone si pini ani thot 30 ani nitum bangso mai dupon long no
Korkanthi along atta morcha along tin executive nili kisi tongdun sitame asitin na morcha long stame members mokhata chokpet committee lagi do chot la pukali la se korkanti atta morcha ta members choklim sido la se ni tum sini ba ni tum kimang lalo je korkanti long stame kaprek political party bangke lapan aja kong bang melo athe kaprek political party lo mungkin leadership bang crisis ulo la se
Samsung Inti report from Dongmuka for Karbi Anglong Live. Let's take a quick commercial break. Stay with us for more news.
Karbi Anglong Monks Dancing Star Grand Finale. Langdonik tha, paetung kekan kachapati along. Kachapati journey lake matijong ni phai krehini, adim lake Joycing Doloi Auditorium Hall, Dikhu. Laban ning chibik tha bang suarni kelang dona bang pubang piatum an setami ang khodi kachiku ting ni.
Welcome back after the break. With an aim to bring development, Mahamaya MEC and Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council EM Lunsing Teron had on Sunday laid foundation of developmental works at 6 different places under his constituency. Here is a report from our correspondent. The works were sanctioned under Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Employee Act scheme for the areas within Harogat Development Block. The foundation laying program was also attended by VDC Chairman Orson Rongpi along with several other party workers and local leaders. During the program, the EM also inaugurated the IAY houses which have been completed in the nearby area. He stated before the people that BJP party is committed for the people's development and will fulfill their assurances to provide good roads, proper drinking water, houses to the poor and electricity to all villages by 2022. He urged the people to keep supporting the party in the future so that they can carry forward their promised works.
Kahin pen rong rubajo pacing tur dipu asa sai kideng pon ateng pen non sokrota porahut lapen ruwe tawang welang la sila sona porahut sini litum rong rubajo kedam tang election hudi litum rong asor pen alang litum aning ke hang pen nang ke hang duna teng pen pini tum skim deng pon long therok si bakadim long litum pini nane bang ke tuar nane bang ke hem nane bang ke school of filalong art feeling lason si jeng rong ha rong pen jeng lok morok terona rong lapen te ingleng rong lapen te pini ladang rong mirdana long lason si long potrok adim litum pini long e sompolo.
Samsung Inti report from Dongmuka for Karbi Anglong Live. The Forest Department officials had seized a large quantity of timber which was ready to be smuggled through the Kalyani River. This is not the only case which has come to light from the area but had only added to the already worse condition of timber smuggling from the forest under Nilip constituency. During the regular patrolling on Sunday night under the Northeast Range Silonijan, beat forest officer in charge for Bogijan beat Dorsing Timong along with his team captured a huge quantity of timber being smuggled. At around 1:30 a.m. at night, they found that the timber of several costly trees was being transported from Borpung, Borlangso, Sarihoti areas with the help of bamboo boat taking the help of the Kalyani River. The river flowing downstream towards the town had been very helpful to the smuggler for a long time. The forest officials seized the timber but the smugglers escaped in the dark. The public had shown their concern over the unabated smuggling of wood and timber from the area. Even after knowing the ill impact of excessive cutting of trees, neither the government had been able to put a stop nor had the people been able to refrain from continuing the work. As such, there is growing concern that the ecological system in the area will be largely hampered. Sonjit Crow and Samson Ingti from Nilip, Karbi Anglong Live. Well, that's all we have with us for today. Thank you for watching Karbi Anglong Live.